Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel autopay in the PhonePe app quickly and easily, so you can stay in full control of your automatic payments. Stick around till the end and please subscribe for more step-by-step tech and finance tutorials like this one. Let's get started. First, open the PhonePe app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account using your registered mobile number. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top left corner. You'll see your account icon or initials there. Tap on it to open your account settings. Inside your account settings, scroll down a bit and find the autopay option. Tap on it to open the autopay settings page. This section shows all the services or subscriptions where you've set up automatic payments, things like OTT apps, phone recharges, or utility bills down. Find the specific service or merchant you want to cancel autopay for. Once you've located it, look for the remove or delete icon next to it. It might look like a small trash bin or an X. Tap on that, and PhonePe will ask you to confirm your choice. After confirming, the autopay setup for that service will be removed immediately. You'll no longer be charged automatically for that subscription or service. If you ever want to re-enable autopay in the future, you can simply set it up again through the same menu, and that's it. You've successfully canceled autopay in PhonePe. Quick, simple, and secure. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and please subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials on digital payments, money apps, and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.